Hola amigos, this is David el Profe, and this is a video preview of our complete Fundamentos de Español 3 level. This includes 11 PowerPoint presentations, along with a final exam that you can do with your students. It also has our conversational evaluation included. So whenever you get new students, you can do the evaluation with them to place them into the correct level. So let me just take a moment here to walk you through some of these resources. This is an example of one of our PowerPoint presentations. Now the PowerPoint presentations have been designed to help you walk students through conversational Spanish classes. They have a whole lot of visuals included that make it visually stimulating and interesting for your students. You can just see some of the examples of the visuals that I've included in here. Obviously, a whole lot of conversation starters. This level is really dedicated to comparing the simple present to the present progressive. So we have a lot of activities that are going to do that with your students. Again, this is just one example of one of the presentations. There's 11 of these. Each presentation is designed to take about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the size of class that you work with. We're doing review work. Students already know this stuff. We're just reminding them of how to do this. You can see that the answers populate here. So we would have students go around and take turns filling in these activities. We call special attention whenever there's an irregular verb like construir. But we've got a lot of these. This is just review work that students already know. And then we guide them through conversational activities so they can take turns asking each other these questions. We're going to populate the correct answer into these slides here. And then we have just an open conversation starter that students can do. So this is the basic style of all the presentations that we have here. Once we get through an activity like that, then you can see we have just a whole lot of open-ended conversation starters. The goal here is to get our students speaking, and that's why we have a whole lot of conversation starters included in these presentations. So yeah, like I said, visual images. So when we're teaching new vocabulary, they can see a picture of what they're learning. So that's fun for the students here. This all goes with the accompanying workbook that's available on Amazon. Let's Start Talking Spanish Foundations 3. So we definitely recommend that you're doing that with your students. Let's see here. Another thing that is included here is our conversational evaluation. So anytime you get new students that contact you that want to work with you, the first step I do is I run them through this conversational evaluation so that you can see exactly what their level of conversation is, and then you place them into the appropriate level. There's another video. If you click on the actual, on this product, you can see a more detailed video on what this looks like and how to do it with your students. Let's see here. I've got one more resource to show you. This is the final exam. So after the 11th lesson, we have students do this written exam. This is everything that they've learned, and students are going to go through here. And this is more than anything just to confirm what you should already know. I typically know when students are struggling or when they're going to do good. This is just written confirmation of what you're teaching your students. Okay, so yeah, check out the bundle on teacherspayteachers.com. There's a pretty strong discount if you buy the bundle, which is going to include all 11 PowerPoint presentations, this conversational evaluation, the final exam, and a few other bonus items. All right, great. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and good luck with your Spanish classes. Ciao, ciao.